Here at To Earth, we recently upgraded our office, so let me show you around. We just became a certified B Corporation. So we're very proud to be showing that as soon as you walk in. Another thing we just added was we added these quotes on the wall. So I'm going to show you a couple of my favorites. That's how I feel when I read that quote. This one is also a little scary too. If you don't know where you're going, you will end up somewhere else. This is my bag. And there's really not much to it. I use my phone for a lot of my work, so Maisha's holding it. On to the next. Also, one of my favorite new additions are these beanbag chairs. Yeah. We've got numerous awards here that To Earth has won, so we're super excited to have them here against the beautiful backdrop of Port Moody. And here are all our To Earth products here in the office. Our most important quote by far is our critical cause. And our critical cause is to make true, lasting change that helps save the planet. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see you in the next video.